Hi everybody, it's Rose, and today I'm doing a very special unboxing video. I'm so excited. Guess what I just got in the mail? Ooh, the suspense. I'm so bad at opening packages. Yay! I'm so excited about this. Do y'all know what this is? This is the one and only KetchBeauty IPL hair removal system. This is so cute and so sleek. I love the little gold accenting on this button. This is heavy. This is a good little weight. I love the logo of KetchBeauty. I think that's so cute. It kind of reminds me of Mean Girls, like it's so catch. Can we make that a thing? So like most of you probably know, I am transgender, and so I do, still have a little bit of facial hair. Even after many laser and electrolysis appointments, I still grow a little bit of facial hair. So I'm so excited to finally have an at-home laser hair removal system. So this is just gonna help, zap away those little unwanted hairs. I can't wait to try it out. Laser hair removal can be so expensive, and it's, very inconvenient to go out and have to go somewhere. Sometimes as a trans person, it can be very anxiety-ridden to go out into public and meet someone for the first time. Unwanted hair is such a personal issue, especially for trans people. And so it's so nice and convenient that I can now do this from home. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out. This is the little laser. So it comes with a little plug-in cord you plug into the bottom. And then, let's see. So the back is glowing green. So I think once it's green, maybe it's ready to go. No? Okay, let's read the instructions. Okay, so to make it work, you want the red light flashing and it senses skin, and then you can change the intensity level. So I want to just test it out before I test it out on my face. So it won't work without it being on skin. So I guess, oh, it worked. So it knows when there's skin there. You can press the button and nothing will happen unless there's skin there. And then it sees the skin. Oh, I felt that. That was not very painful though. That was very manageable. Thank you so much, KetchBeauty, for sending me this beautiful device. I'm so excited to try it out. So if y'all want to, witness my little journey of at-home hair removal, then definitely make sure to subscribe. This makes me so excited.